Welcome everyone. Next is invoking a method. What does it mean? Now it means it is the process of using a function which is also known as function calling. That means in this process we are going to call a particular method. So there are two types of method. One is non-static method, another is static method. First we will learn how to call a non-static method. Look at the example given here. Import java.util.star, public class, my class name is addition. Now I have defined a method here, public int sum int x comma int y. This is method prototype. Then inside that int z equal to x plus y, return z, because return type is mentioned here, so return z. And this is the method block. Now my main function, as it is a non-static method, so object is required to call a particular method as per the rule of object oriented programming. So as per the syntax of the object creation, class name, object name equal new keyword, then class name, open bracket, close bracket. So here object is created and my object name is obj. Now scanner s equal to new scanner system.in. Now I have given a message, enter any two positive integers, and I am storing one variable is a, one variable is b. As per the method definition, we have to pass two integer values. So look at the function calling part. Now obj.sum, then we are passing two integer values, that is a and b. As the function returns a integer value, so here also an integer variable is required to hold the return value. So I have taken c. Now I am printing the sum of two numbers is c. Now come to another example, that is static method. What is static method? Now static method is a method which is specified with static keyword, and when this method is called, it does not require any object. It can be called directly by using the name of the method. And another thing you have to remember, a static method can use only static elements in its block. This particular part we will cover in the upcoming chapters. Then same programming, public class addition, public static int sum int x and int y, int z equal to x plus y, return z. But look at the main function calling part, there is no object, so only directly int c equal to sum a comma b, and we are printing sum of two numbers is c. Hope you understood.